So is this just a nut that's here? Or
It's just a captured nut. It's basically welded on.
Oh, it's welded. Okay, I was like,
Square.
I was like, I think that at some point that thing would start to yeah.
Girl's drilling.
Just
Drilling.
drilling like a villain. It's hard to. This one wants to go fast.
Wanna go fast?
You already got it. Well. Oops. Hey boys, I moved the oil over here to the other thing.
There we go. Drilling.
Okay, we got
Drilling.
2 down.
2 down on that side. Coming to look.
One more go.
Nice job, boys.
Yeah, sure. So this one didn't,
That one's okay.
that one released.
Yeah. So this is the one you got to get back here, and that's it. And then you get to go to the other side.
You want me to start that one?
Fun, fun, boys.
You said here, I can hold that.
Can you get the extension on there?
Oh yeah?
Even if you can't turn, can you hold it?
Yeah, I can hold it, for sure. It's a little more stable.
Yes.
Actually, I can actually turn. I don't know.
There we go.
It shouldn't be that difficult. I think it has to come out that bolt.
Let's hit the,
I can't get it out.
this one now.
Let me get it out. You can tap it out a little bit.
Man, that thing's having trouble lining up.
You can get that as heavy.
You don't want to mess up the threads there, Peter.
No, I know. That's the only downfall to it. Should I loosen these?
Try to, you can't get it to go in.
No.
Crank it down. Can you put the nut on it without the washer right now?
Yeah.
And get it started and crank it down, then take the nut out.
That's pretty good right there. Let's get that third one.
One way, right?
No,
Ready, hey, you lefty loosey.
It doesn't fit on this. You have to do this one.
Do that and try the wrench on the other side.
Magnet is.
There you go.
That's fine. That feels pretty good
Still,
right there.
yeah. I wonder if
Maybe this one, I
It's
think that one
really
needs a little, one
All right,
more
let's
little
loosen
hit.
those up, Peter, and we'll take it over to the vise and look at it. These guys have theirs pretty close.
I think that's good.
Yeah, well, we're Singer level of all the nuts and bolts being the same. This is the Palm Springs Commission.
Oh, this has to come out though.
All right, so that's good.
We got a washer here.
Those are a little
This is my
off.
They're a little
Okay.
wonky. Yeah, well, the bolts. Grab the bolts.
Those are what?
Actually,
Oh.
the bolts in the
Oh, those are a
square
little
ones in
wonky.
the box, guys.
Yeah.
You can grab those two of those bolts and stick them through there, and then loosen that back up and center up the bolts. The square bolts.
Oh, God.
No, the square ones, the big ones, Those two. Yeah, 2 of those. You just need 2 of those.
Was there any slop in those holes though?
Is this supposed to be a fourth one of these?
Yeah, it's in the retainer.
That's better, I think.
Yeah, let's just loosen it up.
Loosen them all up and get those through. There you
These are
guys
loose.
go.
These are loose.
All right, there you go. Loosen them up. You got it. You got it. You got it. How's the drilling going?
Slow.
Drill, baby, drill.
Does it ever end?
Yeah, you only got.
I mean, there can't be that much metal left to get to.
You'd be surprised.
I am surprised.
Shoulder workout today, bud.
It is.
Nice. Gentlemen, how is it over here?
Moving. Doing a lot of chips.
Oh yeah. JJ, you're on it.
Yeah.
You're the drill machine.
Okay, bye.
Switch it.
Your turn.
Switch. And switch. And switch.
My arms are.
good, JJ.
Yeah. JJ sets me up so that